So Radhe guys, my name is Arun Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start this stream video without having the further delay. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the routine of 23rd September 2024 of the day 292, and today is Monday. So basically, before going to the study today's routine video, I just only wanted to apologize to that because from the last too many days routine video, I was unable to shoot just because of some reason. But today, I'm going to tell you the routine of today. So basically, the thing is that first I have already apologized you, and one thing is that first I'll shoot the skip days routine video, after that I'll shoot the present days routine video. So basically the thing is that already I've already told you. So let's start today's training video. So basically guys, today I woke up, and after waking up, first as I usually do, I brought my cloth, I went to the ground floor, maybe I went to the bathroom, I don't know exactly about it. First I washed my mouth, and after that I have taken the bath, and after that I worshipped at a very proper manner. So after that basically I ate food. Okay, so in this video, in this particular video, I just only wanted to tell you about the Jitiya Parv. Okay, basically the term Jitiya is came from Bihar, I think so, Bihar and or UP. It came basically in Jitiya Parv. What actually happened in our moms of our family taking fast and doing worship at a very particular and proper manner, and I think that it may be around 2 days of festival, I think so. So basically this is the it is for their child. Okay, and yeah, basically this is a thing which was actually happened. Okay, wait guys. So basically guys, basically I've already told you about Jitiya Parv. Now after that, what I had done in my routine, that is basically 23rd 24th, I think the Jitiya Parv is about to happen. I don't know the exact date, but maybe around this 23rd 24th 25th 26th, around these days. Okay, so basically after that I've tried to learn something. What I have tried to learn something, video editing. Basically guys, I know I edit video at a very perfect manner, but I also try to enhance. I also tries to learn more and more video editing skills. Okay, so basically, guys, I used to edit video, but nowadays I don't do this. Basically, from the this video included this video, we have completed day 292, but I didn't edit. Uh, I didn't edit my videos, but basically sometimes I edit. Sometimes I edit. Sometimes I edit my videos. Why? If some outside noise came, so were speaking, people were speaking, and somebody came in this camera, so that's why I have to edit that video. So basically on that time, but I don't want to waste my time to edit this video by adding extra filter and doing the uh, making any something adding some filters, also doing some extra kind of effect of giving any filter. I don't like that. Basically I like that, but I don't want to waste my time. Basically it's my daily routine. I don't edit my video daily. If I talk about only 1 day 2 day, if I have to edit, then I can, but I don't want to waste time at a regular base. Okay, so yeah, but nowadays I'm learning video editing skills, but not for this channel. First let me clear it. Okay, so after that, at the time of evening, I think that we call the bird cheel in Hindi is eagle. I think that, but I don't know exactly about it. I saw one of the eagle in the where they are situated somewhere. So that was sitting. So I tried to make the video of that, but I saw that is a very big size eagle. So yeah. So after that I cooked paneer sabzi. Basically, guys, I think that maybe we call paneer is cottage cheese, but you know, because of this some thing, because of this something. Why? I don't know what I'm speaking. Basically, I've cooked paneer sabji, and I've cooked, and also I think that maybe also I cooked the rice. I don't know exactly about it. After that, at the time of night, basically we have all eaten food and went for the sleep, and at the end time of night, okay, me and my sister cooking khaja. making khaja. Khaja, what is khaja? If you don't know that, let me tell you. Khaja is basically a kind of sweet which we have to cook, or if we don't cook it, so we have to purchase uh, from the shop. It is a kind of sweet which we have to made or cook for the prasad. Okay, prasad means, guys, offerings. Okay, so after cooking them, after that we went for the sleep. So basically, this is the thing which was actually happened today, and I hope you really understand till yet. If you really understand till yet, then kindly press like. So because if you like the videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos in a very continuously manner. So one thing I also wanted to request you that if you found any kind of mistakes when I speak in English speaking skills, like any grammatical mistakes you found, and any English errors, sentence making mistake if you found, then kindly please tell me in the comment section. I will really try to improve my English speaking skills if you help me. So I really appreciate it that you are trying to help me to improve my English speaking skills. So basically, guys, this is the thing which was actually happened today, and let's talk about one of the topic, how to control mind. Okay, so basically, guys, from the I'm also facing too many issues that like how to control mind, but nowadays I am controlling it a very good manner. Mind control my mind like this. What's the problem? First problem is distracting, not focusing at one particular phase or one particular era of time, not focusing. It is always distracting. If you went for this sorry, if you went for the study, then you got some distraction, then you are trying to do something except studies, right? So basically the thing is that we have to reduce our screen time. We don't have to watch any reels or scrolling videos, also long video, any entertainment related video we don't have to watch. We have to reduce our screen time, right? We have to go outside and doing the practical activities. Okay, we have to do meditation, also we have to do exercise, and also we have to make a pledge. Okay, so we need to do that's all these such kind of things so that we can achieve all the things which we want actually. Okay, so basically, guys, this is the thing which I actually wanted to tell you that, but the mind is too much stupid, and it is distracting too much, but we have to control it. If we don't control our mind today, in future we are unable to get that particular point of time. We will not back on that particular time where we have to control it. So now this is the time to control this mind. Okay, so let's discuss daily 5 vocabulary words. So guys, our first vocabulary word is famine relief. अकाल राहत, उन्हें अकाल राहत मिली. They got famine relief. Second word is treat. Treat means, guys, इलाज. तुम्हें अपना पहले इलाज कराना चाहिए. You should treat first. First you should treat yourself, maybe. Okay. Carry means ढोना. क्या तुम इसे ढोकर वहाँ लेके जा सकते हो? Could you please carry on that place? Maybe I like this. Carry away, आगे ले जाए. कृपया करके इसे आप आगे ले जाएं. Kindly please carry them, carry on this head. Last but not least word is glamour. Glamour means, guys, ठाट बाट. वह बहुत ही ठाट बाट से रहते हैं. They were living at a very glamour. वह बहुत ही ठाट बाट से रहते हैं. They live at a glamour manner. So basically, guys, this is all the 5 words which we have discussed today, and I hope you really your listening practice is also happened of the English videos, and I think that it's really, and I hope you really understand this video. Also, you have enjoyed this video, and also you get to learn some vocabulary from this video. And yeah, guys, basically this is the thing which was actually happened today, and there is nothing in my mind is coming right now for telling you anything. So basically this is the thing which was actually happened today. And what should I talk about you? So basically the thing is that this is all we first I have discussed about the first I have discussed about my routine, as well as words, as well as vocabulary. Wait, guys. So basically, guys, this is all the thing which was actually happened today, and I think that it is enough for today. So let's end the video guys. Sri Radhe. Bye bye.